It's lunchtime at Monsters Inc. Hey Mike, what should I eat? Wanna grab a sandwich? This is Play-Doh Sandwich Shop. Let's see what's inside. So here's the sandwich lunchbox with 9 molds on top, veggies and fruits. Here's a playmat, 2 molds sandwich shape, juice bottle with extruder, hot dog, Play-Doh, some shapes, the knife, and some more Play-Doh. So let's check out these fruits and veggies. Here's an apple, pizza slice, broccoli, mushroom, mashed potato, fries, croissant, pear, and egg. So let's check out these 6 molds at the back of the bread. Corns, cookie, carrot, chicken leg, mashed potato, and pickle. So let's make a hot dog. And here's a juice bottle. You roll out a little brown Play-Doh. Now let's make some mustard and ketchup. It's a little hard to squeeze out. I wish it had Play-Doh Plus. You can also roll it out. It's much easier. I'm gonna roll out a plate. This set doesn't come with any. There are 4 shapes with the juice bottle, and I'm gonna make some salad. How about some green peas? It's ready to serve. The utensils comes with some shapes. It looks like a potato chip and tomato. Now let's try the other shapes. Here's all that you need to make a sandwich. You have a big appetite, Sully. What are you gonna eat today? The menu. How about a hot dog? I'm gonna have some salad. There you go, Sully. There's a complimentary juice. And there's your salad, Mike. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. This is delicious. Time for you best friends to share a sandwich. This is so yummy. Oh, I feel so full, Sully. Ha ha ha. Let's fill our sandwich shop with some food. So guys, it was a lot of fun making all this food at the sandwich shop. Please do subscribe to my channel, MsDisneyRreviews, and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you!